Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JVR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
So hello everyone, now in this video I'm going to start from sum number 9. For the previous one, please check the description box, the link will be there. So here in sum number 9, 4 square flower beds of side 1 meter 50 centimeter are dug on a rectangular piece of land 8 meter long and 6 meter 50 centimeter wide. What is the area of the remaining part of the land? Okay, सो इसका मतलब है एक आपके पास यहाँ पर एक रेक्टेंगुलर एक लैंड दिया हुआ है. ओके, अब रेक्टेंगुलर लैंड जो दिया हुआ है उसका लेंथ है आपके पास 8 मीटर एंड ब्रेथ that is 6 meter 50 centimeter, so definitely it will be 6.50 meter. Okay, रेक्टेंगुलर जो आपके पास लैंड दिया हुआ है, रेक्टेंगुलर लैंड का लेंथ है 8 मीटर और ब्रेथ है 6.50 मीटर. अब रेक्टेंगुलर लैंड के अंदर आपके पास यहाँ पर 4 स्क्वायर फ्लावर बेड्स है. ओके, अगर मान लीजिए इस तरह से 4 स्क्वायर फ्लावर बेड्स इसके अंदर दिया हुआ है. सो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ दिस 4 स्क्वायर फ्लावर बेड्स. Here the side of each flower bed that one equal to 1 meter 50 centimeter, that means 1.50 meter. Okay, so first here you have to find out area of 4 flower beds that one equal to 4 into here 1.50 meter is the side of each square beds, so 1.50 square, because the area of the square is side square or side into side. So here meter square, so 4 into 1.50, again 1.50 meter square. So 1.50 into 1.50, that one equal to 2.25. So 4 into 2.25 meter square, and that one equal to here 9. Okay, 9 meter square. So that is the area of total 4 flower beds. Now next, the area of the land. It's a rectangle, so that means length into breadth. So 6.50 into 8. Okay, so that one equal to here 52 meter square. Now here you have to find out what is the area of the remaining part of the land. So you have to just subtract 9 from 52, and that one equal to 43. So 43 is the remaining. Okay, 43 meter square, that is the remaining area of the land. Now next one, sum number 10. How many tiles whose length and breadth are 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter respectively will be needed to cover the rectangular region whose length and breadth are respectively this one and this one? Okay, so for 10 1. So here the area, of the tile. Okay, each tile you can write down area of either each tile, that one equal to here 12 into 5 centimeter square. Okay, now for the first problem, area of the land, that one equal to here 70 into 36 centimeter square. So here the number of tiles equal to, just divide the area of the land with the area of the tile. Okay, so that one equal to here, if you divide 70 by 5, that one equal to here 14. Clear? Now 6 6 are 36, 6 2, then here 3, so 14 into 3, it's 42. That is your first answer. Now number 2. In number 2 here, the area of the land will be now 144 and 1 meter. Meter means 1 meter means 100 centimeter. So that is the area of the land, and you have to divide it by the area of the tiles. So that one equal to here 12 and 5 20. So here 240. Okay, 240 is the number of tiles. Now next one, sum number 11. So here in sum number 11, the area of our rectangular plot, okay, area of the rectangular plot 340 meter square. if the breadth, so here the breadth equal to 17 meter, so length equal to very easy area by breadth, that means 340 by 17, that one equal to here 20 meter. That is your first answer. The next one you have to find out the perimeter. Perimeter formula 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into here length means here 20, breadth equal to 17 meter. So that means here 2 into here 37. So it's 4 and 74. So 74 meter, that is your second answer. Now next one, sum number 12. In sum number 12, if the area of the rectangular plot, that one equal to here area equal to 144 meter square or square meter. Here the length equal to 16. So that means here breadth equal to it's 144 divided by 16. Okay, and that one equal to here 9 meter. That is your first answer. Next one, the cost of fencing. Okay, so first here you have to find out the perimeter. So perimeter means 2 into length plus breadth. So here 2 into 25 meter, that means here 50 meter. Okay, so here cost equal to 6 as the rate per meter. So 60 into 50, that one equal to rupees 300. Okay, and that is your answer. Now next, sum number 13. In sum number 13, the perimeter of a square is equal to that of the rectangle of length 17 meter and breadth 11 meter. Okay, so that means here first you have to find out the perimeter of the rectangle. So here the perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into length 17 and breadth 11. So that one equal to here 2 into it's 28. So here 6, it 56 meter. Okay, so 56 is the perimeter of the rectangle as well as the perimeter of the square, because equal perimeter. So here the perimeter of the square equal to 56. Then side of the square you have to just divide 56 by 4, because the perimeter of the square, that formula is 4 into side. So from the perimeter, when you have to find out the side, just divide it by 4, and that one equal to here 14 meter. Okay, so now you have to find out the area. So it's very easy. The formula to find out the area of the square, it's side into side, that means 196 meter square, or you can write down square meter. Clear? Okay. Now let's move on to sum number 14. So here in sum number 14, a rectangle has same area as that of a square of side 10 meter. Okay. So here the side of the square, that one equal to here 10 meter. So area of the square, that one equal to here side into side, meter square. So that means here 100 square meter, or you can write down meter square. Now the area of the rectangle is equal to with the area of the square. So you can write down here area of the rectangle, that one equal to here 100 square meter. Now if breadth of the rectangle equal to here 8 meter, so the length equal to 100 divided by 8. Okay, and that one equal to here 12.5 meter. So as here length equal to 12.5, breadth equal to 8, so perimeter equal to 2 into length plus breadth, that means here 2 into 20.5. Okay, 2 into 20.5, and your answer is 41 meter. Clear? Okay, now let's move on to the last problem, that is sum number 15. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. Okay, so here sum number 15. In sum number 15, split the following shapes. Okay, split the following shapes into rectangles and find their areas. So for the first one, in the first one it's a L shape. So just continue this line here. Okay, so here the first one, this one is a rectangle, the first rectangle, and the another one here, this one. So the purple one is the another rectangle. Okay, so for the black one, so for the black one here, length equal to 12 and breadth equal to here 10. So for the black one, area equal to 12 into 2, and the here the purple one, for the purple one here, area equal to 8 into 2, 8 as length and 2 as breadth. So 24 plus 16, so 0 and 40, so 40 square unit, that is your answer. Okay, now next one. So as here centimeter, okay, sorry, this is centimeter, so you can write down directly here square centimeter. Now the next one. So here the next one, if you join this one, so that is the first rectangle, and the second one here, it's a square, the purple one, these two are the square. Okay, that means one rectangle and two square. So here the area of the rectangle here, breadth equal to 7 and length equal to 7, 7 and 7. Okay, that means 21. So 21 is the length. Now square, here the purple square, that means 7 into 7 for the first one and again 7 into 7 for the second one. जो ब्लैक वाला पोर्शन है उसका एरिया होगा 7 into 21 और जो पर्पल वाला पोर्शन है स्क्वायर है, so 7 into 7. So that means here 7 147, it's 49 and then again 49. Okay, so 49 plus 49 98 and then 147, it's 245. So 245 square centimeter, that is your answer. Now the last one. So here the last one. So this one is the first rectangle. Okay, and here the purple one is the second rectangle. So for the first rectangle here, length equal to 5 and breadth equal to 1. So that means here 5 into 1 is the area of the black portion. Now the purple one. So for the purple one here, okay, for the purple one here, length equal to 4. Now you have to find out the breadth. So as here total equal to 5, here this portion is 2, this one is 2, so 2 to 4, that means here breadth equal to 1, that means that red portion, that red one is 1. Okay, so for that one here 4 into 1, so 5 plus 4, that one equal to here 9 square centimeter is your answer.